going to guide you on how to delete all of your Facebook posts or photos at once. If you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. So in order to delete all of your Facebook photos, you need to log in into your Facebook account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now once you have logged in, you are going to tap on your profile icon on your top left corner. Then it will land you here. So you are going to tap on those three dots beside edit profile. Then it will land you to profile settings. Now under profile settings, you are going to see activity log under log profile. Just tap on activity log. Then it will land you here on activity log. So tap on public post. Then it will bring you on this interface. You will tap on filter on your top left and just under archives. So tap on that filter icon. Then tap on categories. Then you will select your post, photos and videos if you want to delete all your photos at once. And if you want to delete all your posts on other timelines, you can also select your post on other timelines and delete them. Then once you have deleted all your posts and photos, you will go back to the filter, then categories, then videos you have watched, then clear videos watch history. So tap on clear video watch history, then clear. So as you can see, you have deleted all of your posts, your videos and your photos at once. So this is how you can delete all your Facebook photos at once, and all of your videos at once, and all of your posts at once. So I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice time.